I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see I am here at the Watersville Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision in Mount Airy, Maryland, and currently we are awaiting CSX B769, a loaded ethanol train, and it's got some pretty good power. It's got some foreign power leading, a pair of Canadian National locomotives, leaders a GE, second unit's an EMD, and then a CSX AC44 is third, so this should be a good catch, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's my good buddy, the Old Main Rail fan. Be sure to subscribe to his channel. So, just an update. This should be my last train before going back to college for my spring semester. But yeah, I've caught so much during this winter break, so I'm very satisfied. And I'd say this is a nice send-off. Alright, thank you guys for watching that video, and here from Watersville Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision, this is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day.